Okay, so solving for y, let's do this. Think of a number, that becomes our y. I double the number, so 2y. I add 5, I take away 2, I end up with 15, so that means it equals 15. So now I have an equation that I can solve. Let's collect like terms first, simplify the whole equation. So I've got plus 5 minus 2. So plus 5 and minus 2, that gives me plus 3, and I still have that. So if I rewrite the equation, it becomes 2y plus 3 equals 15. So now I can begin to solve. So minus 3 to both sides to get rid of that. Leaves me with the term 2y. At the moment, it left with 12 on this side. Okay. The opposite of timesing by 2 is dividing by 2. Do the same to both sides. Y equals 6. And that should be the answer. Let's substitute. So 2 times 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17, minus 2 is 15. So this is correct.